Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the ancient art of Gua Sha, a traditional Chinese healing technique that's taking the wellness world by storm. Whether you're new to Gua Sha or looking to refine your skills, this in-depth guide will cover everything you need to know about its benefits and how to use it effectively. So, let's get started. Gua Sha, also known as scraping, spooning, or coining, is a traditional East Asian healing technique. It involves scraping your skin with a massage tool to improve circulation. This ancient practice is believed to promote healing and alleviate various health conditions. Gua Sha offers numerous health benefits, including, first, improved circulation. By increasing blood flow, Gua Sha helps in delivering oxygen and nutrients more effectively throughout the body. Second, reduced inflammation. It can help decrease inflammation and promote healing in the body. Third, pain relief. Regular use of Gua Sha can alleviate muscle pain and tension. Fourth, enhanced immune function. Stimulating the skin and underlying tissues can boost your immune system. And finally, skin health. Gua Sha promotes lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and improving skin tone and texture. Choosing the right Gua Sha tool is crucial for effective practice. Here are a few tips. First, material. Jade and rose quartz are popular choices due to their cooling properties and smooth texture. Second, shape. Look for a tool with curves that fit comfortably against your skin. And third, size. Ensure the tool is easy to hold and maneuver, especially around your face and neck. Section 4. Preparing for Gua Sha. Host. Before you start, make sure to 1. Clean your skin. Start with a clean face and body to prevent any impurities from entering your skin. 2. Apply oil. Use a facial or body oil to reduce friction and allow the tool to glide smoothly. 3. Warm up. Gently massage the area with your hands to prepare your skin and muscles. Section 5. Gua Sha techniques. Host. Now, let's go over some basic Gua Sha techniques. 1. Face. Hold the tool at a 15-degree angle and gently scrape in an upward and outward motion. Start from the neck, moving to the jawline, cheeks, and forehead. 2. Neck. Use a downward motion from the base of your skull to your shoulders. 3. Shoulders and back. Apply slightly more pressure and use long, smooth strokes to relieve tension. 4. Arms and legs. Use the tool in long, sweeping motions towards the heart to promote circulation. After your Gua Sha session, remember to hydrate. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins. Moisturize. Apply a hydrating serum or moisturizer to nourish your skin. Rest. Allow your body to rest and recover, especially if you performed a more intense session. That's it for today's guide on Gua Sha. We hope you found this video helpful and are excited to incorporate Gua Sha into your wellness routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care. End credits. Optional